Conditioning yourself to perform reality checks in dreams is a common practice among those interested in lucid dreaming. Here are some tips to help you establish this habit. Each slide is 30 seconds long. Consistency is key when establishing any new habit, including reality checks. Over time, these checks can become automatic, increasing the likelihood of recognizing when you are in a dream. Establish regular reality check triggers. Choose specific events or situations in your waking life as triggers for reality checks. For example, every time you walk through a doorway, glance at a clock, or hear a specific sound, make it a habit to question whether you are dreaming. Use digital reminders. Set alarms or reminders on your phone or other digital devices to prompt you to perform reality checks throughout the day. This can help reinforce the habit and make it more automatic. Combine checks with dream-like behavior. In your waking life, occasionally perform reality checks in response to odd or dreamlike situations. For instance, if something unusual happens or you experience déjà vu, use it as a cue to question reality. Mental state check. Regularly assess your mental state throughout the day. Ask yourself if what you are experiencing feels real or if there are any inconsistencies. This can carry over into your dream state when you're conditioned to question reality. Visual and textual cues. Place visual or written cues in your environment that remind you to perform reality checks. This could be a poster with the question, "Am I dreaming?" or an image that serves as a trigger. Reflect on your dreams. Spend a few minutes each morning reflecting on your dreams. Look for common themes or elements that could serve as cues for reality checks in the future. Integrate reality checks into dream signs. Identify recurring themes or events in your dreams, dream signs, and use them as prompts for reality checks. For example, if you often dream about water, make it a habit to perform a reality check when you encounter water in your waking life. Stay mindful. Develop a habit of being mindful throughout the day. The more aware you are of your surroundings and mental state, the more likely you are to carry this awareness into your dreams. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Thank you very much.